My name is Michael Bogomolny. I'm the founder and CEO at InfinitForm. InfinitForm is a generative engineering software platform which helps engineers to automate design for manufacturing. So as every engineer knows, the design to manufacturing processes are very iterative and long because they're based on various tools like design, CAD, simulation and manufacturing. And it's very difficult to take manufacturability and performance from the beginning. So InfinitForm developed a platform where users can define their manufacturing and performance requirements in the earliest design stage, and our software fully automatically generates designs which are ready to manufacturing and satisfy all the performance constraints. So we are excited to be here in partnership with HP and NVIDIA to showcase our generative design platform, how they run on the most advanced hardware nowadays. So additionally, we're a partner of SOLIDWORKS, so research partner. We developed a plugin for SOLIDWORKS where users can basically obtain the initial design, push into InfinitForm, optimize it, and pull back into SOLIDWORKS, including the entire feature tree. So it's fully editable model with all the features and the constraints, including dimensioning. So we're excited to be here and look for continuous partnership with HP and NVIDIA and SOLIDWORKS.